Hey guys, thanks for joining in. So I've actually ordered 2 racks from Gobi before. If you guys are not familiar with the way that the ordering system goes, you actually place the order on the phone and you can go ahead and pay after when it's done with the fabrication. Usually the fabrication timeline has been somewhere between 8 to 10 months, which is long, but the rack is worth it in my opinion. The second time around when I did order my rack, instead of calling them and placing the order, I went ahead and placed the order online. And the benefit of placing the order online is that you can get a free backpack. I believe now when I checked out the website, it's actually a free duffel bag. But when I ordered a few months ago, it was a backpack. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing, and I hope that the quality of the bag is just like the quality of the rack, which is really, really good. So let's get to the unboxing. Now this did take a little bit longer to receive after my rack because it was back ordered. Reason for that is I chose the all black backpack. Black and gray, I'm sorry. It's all wrapped up very nicely so far. I love the seal that it gives. I know it's made in Colorado because I did check them out online. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in so you guys can get a better look. Now let's take a quick look at this. Now the buckles are really, really nice. They're nice and black chrome. This is a nice Nitto logo that they have as well with their Denver, Colorado sign on there. The drawstring is also very nice, sturdy. I love the color combination. It sticks out. The leather feels really soft. Right here has a longitude and latitude point. I'm pretty sure this is the location of Gobi. I could be wrong, but that's a nice detail. The strap is actually quite thick. This is also a nice black chrome buckle with attachment in case you have a heavy set of items that you're carrying. Seems like it's gonna really hold up. A nice little compass that it includes. The padding on this is also very nice. Seems like it's not gonna hold a lot of heat on my back when I'm carrying this out somewhere. This looks like it's a very cool area to hold your water bottle, your hydro flask, maybe an umbrella. There's also one on each side, so yeah, you can hold an umbrella and a water bottle. The bottom is still the same canvas type thick material. The buckles are actually very sturdy. They're not just for looks. They're very sturdy. Nice drawstring up top. Interior is a type of a beige tan color. It has another little clip right here so that you can clip onto something and not have it drop off. There's also an internal clip here. This is a great spot for a laptop. Flip it around. There is 3 compartments to hold any small items. And there is a larger zipper area here, which is about 8 inches deep. Looks like it can hold a power bank, any nice little accessories that you may have you want to access from the inside. And opening it up, it's actually quite big. Looks like it can hold a good amount of things in there. Just gonna grab something from my vehicle. This is a air compressor via air. It fits in there, no problem. Plenty of room still. Let's see what else I have. I'm gonna see if my Jackery even fits there, since that's something that I have. It's easy access. This is a Jackery Explorer 500. Let's see if I'm pushing the limit, if that will actually fit. And it does. So it can actually fit a Jackery 500. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with this bag. I think it's going to be my daily bag that I travel with or go on short trips on. I love the coloring. I was between this or the all black version, but I figured that if I got the all black version, I wouldn't see a lot of these details and the two-tone contrast. So I went with the dual color, and I don't regret it. It's great. I really like the logo right here. I think it's super clean and it makes it look like a super premium backpack. So I hope this review helps. Make sure if you guys are purchasing, don't call them. They're always busy. Make sure you guys just order online. You get a free backpack or a duffel bag. I'm pretty sure you might be able to call them and ask if you want one or the other, since they did give me this with my purchase. And I hope you guys just found this helpful. So go ahead and hit subscribe, and I'll go ahead and post more videos. I'll check you guys out later.